Hey there, East Leyden students, faculty, and staff. I'm Gina Kaniva, your East Leyden librarian, coming to you with some great news. The Franklin Park Library has collaborated with us to connect their offerings of ebooks and audiobooks with East Leyden. This is amazing news. It means that our ebook collection just got a whole lot bigger. So, in order for you to get access to their ebooks, I'm going to give you guys a screencast that will take you through the process of adding the Franklin Park Sora account to our Leyden account. You only have to do it once, and then every time you log into Sora, you'll be able to see both Leyden's ebooks and Franklin Park's ebooks. You'll also be able to check out ebooks and audiobooks from both places, even if you don't have a Franklin Park library card. So you're going to first head to your favorite website, and mine, you got it. It's Leyden212.org. Okay. Then you're going to click on academics, and you'll get a drop down. You're going to go to libraries, and here's where we're going to find our ebooks and audiobooks collection. So on the left-hand side of the column there under libraries, you'll see Overdrive, ebooks and audiobooks. Go ahead and click on that. Now, for some of you, for me, you'll see Sora comes right up. Okay, so if your screen's looking like mine, you're good to go. If not, it may be asking for a login. It's just your network ID and your network password. For teachers and staff, you guys know what that is. For students, it's your first and last initial and your ID number. Okay, and then your network password. You do not need to do the at Leyden212.org after that if you're putting in for your ID. So on the top right-hand corner, the menu bar is going to appear, okay? And you're going to click on Add a Library, all right? So this is a Leyden's library. That's what we have right now. We want to add Franklin Parks, okay? So we're going to click Add a Library. This nice little cloud screen comes up, Find Your Library. You're going to type in Franklin Park. Okay, and so then you look at this e-media library. That's what we are connecting with, the Franklin Park Public Library District. Okay, you're going to click, this is my library. And even if it's not, even if you're from Schiller Park, you're from Rosemont, you are still having access to this because you are a Leyden student, and everybody in Leyden staff as well. So you can click on that, okay? So now if you go to the menu bar, you're going to see two libraries have showed up, Leyden and eMedia. This is the Franklin Park one, so I'm there right now. Okay, so now I can go to either one. All right, so if you want to check out an ebook from the Leyden library, this is the same way that we do it. Just go back to Leyden, see what we have to offer, okay? And remember, you click on a book. Let's say that we want this Hound of the Baskervilles. This is an oldie, an old mystery, but a goodie. And you click on Borrow, and then you can borrow that book. It's really that simple, okay? And just remember, you do not have to worry about fines and returning. These things happen automatically. If you have the Sora app on your phone, you can read or listen to the book there as well. So there's a different process, though, if you want to check out a book, an ebook from the Franklin Park Library. So you go back to the menu, okay, and you go back to this eMedia library, and then you click on a book you would like to check out. So I'm just going from this, maybe this their home page here. Let me see real quick. Let's just pick up this first one, okay? I don't really know if I want to read this, but I just want to show you this, okay? So when you click on this, okay, you're going to do just like we did in Franklin Park. You'll click Borrow, okay? But then it's going to do something a little different. It asks you to sign into your library, okay? You're going to select East Leyden, okay? Even though this is technically Franklin Park, you're going to sign into East Leyden, okay? Because then you won't have to put a number in. You click East Leyden High School. Go ahead and sign in. Now, if it didn't ask you to sign in before, it will ask you now, okay? So it's asking me right now to sign in. So because I don't need to put in my library card number, okay? I'm going to sign in. And then you'll click borrow to borrow the book. Okay, so then the book will pop up just like that. All right, and then if you want to, if you don't want the book, I'm just going to show you right now like how to renew stuff and like how to return it, because I know I'm just showing you this, but I should probably return it because I don't know, I'm not going to read it. So go to shelf, okay, the options right here, and you want to go to options, and that's where you would renew. Okay, so like it's due in 20 days, but you could renew it. You know, once you get to those 20 days is up, you'll hit renew. You can return it. You can also send it to a different device if you want. If you have it hooked up, like let's say I had it on my phone, you could send it to your phone. You could send it to wherever you want to if the device is connected, and we can also return it. Okay, so I'm going to return it right now. Just hit return, and then the book is gone. Okay, so if we go to me, you'll see different things that I've read and done, but on my shelf, I don't have any books out. Okay, that's a really great thing. To get back to exploring, remember this is the Franklin Park Library. If we want to go back to Leyden, then we've got the Leyden Library. So you're just going to have many, many more options. So just remember, this is really nice, especially during the pandemic, because you don't have to worry about fines or anything. You automatically return the book. You can read it on your Chromebook. You can listen to different books. Remember the books with the headphones on them, like this one, that would be an audiobook, okay? And we often have both copies, the audiobook and the printed book. So just remember, now there's so many more books to read, and we have a break coming up, so I hope you're as excited as I am about this. Thanks for watching East Leyden, and thanks Franklin Park for connecting with us. This is awesome. And happy reading, everybody.